Welcome to the Carnival, Pikwik Pack.
Hi, Grandpa Grok.
Well, you sure did pick a spectacular day to enjoy some spectacular rides.
Actually, we're here to deliver a package to Polly, Peter, and Patrick at the Freezy Fruity shop.
Oh, well, the Freezy Fruity shop isn't open yet.
Yay!
We got here early.
Yes! You know what that means? We have time to go on our favorite rides together.
Let's go to the bumper cars. Don't you mean the roller coaster?
Taco truck! Taco truck! I don't know if we have time to ride all the rides. Got it! What if we split up? Oh, good idea, Hazel. Let's each go on our favorite ride, then meet back here to deliver the package. Yay!
Hold that pose, and... Got it. Ooh, that's a keeper. Pikwik Pack? Don't y'all want to see your picture?